Nicholas! Boys. Today's lesson was all about bear traps. Oh, Nick, gutted mate if you missed that. It's only a small pump, but it was worth it. It's doing okay. It is that cloud wall. I've seen it enough times, but you got to be in these trades to see it and trust it. And it is about trusting the stochastics and the MACD, and when they're turning up, you got to give them time for it to play out. But I'm glad to see it pumping a little bit. It looks good. I kind of tuned out. I've been watching football. I had a beer. I was watching the IPL cricket because I knew it's just going to take patience. And I don't want to sound like a dick saying that, but sometimes you just got to wait. It just doesn't happen. And the longer you trade, the longer you realise the time and the patience is everything. Once you've got a half or right entry, yeah, you got to watch it. And BTC was being a little bitch this afternoon, but you've got to have a bit of trust. And to be honest, I'm going to strip it right back here. I said, I'll take all this crap off. I said, I'm going to average in this box and look at it. There'd be no reason to close. There's no reason at all to close that. And now sitting in a few % profit. So happy days. Fingers crossed it carries on.